Namaskar students. In this class, we will learn about animation. Do you know what is animation? Animation is an effect which can be applied on an object. What is object? Object may be any text, any image or any shape. It means if you want to give the movement to any text, any image or any shape, that time you can use the animation. So how to apply the animation? To apply the animation, at first you have to click on animation tab. Here to apply the animation, I will click on animations tab. When I will click on animation tab, you can see here in the animation group. In the animation group, we will get different options. But right now, these options are not working. Why these options are not working? Because I have not selected the object. It means the object is that on which I want to apply the animation. So, if I want to apply the animation on this title, that time at first I have to select this title. So, I will just click on it. And here you can see as I have selected this, now all the animations are working. Because previously all the options were coming in grey color. Now the options are coming in black color. Here you can see this drop down arrow. When you will click on this drop down arrow, you will get different options. Here different types of animations are given: entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths, and the one more is there, that is none. With the help of none, it means if you have applied any type of animation and then if you want to remove all animation, that time you can click on none. If you want to apply any type of animation in which you want to show the entrance of the object, that time you can use entrance type of animation. If you want to show the movement of the object in the slide, that time you can use emphasis. If you want to show the movement of the object outside the object, it means if you want to show that the object is going outside the slide, that time you can use exit. And the last one is motion path. What is the motion path? It is similar to emphasis. It means whatever movement of the object will be there, that will be on the slide. But here we can set the path of the object. So here you can see different options are coming: lines, arc, turn, shapes, loops and custom path. Different options are coming here. So one by one I will tell you about all. So at first I will start with entrance. So on the first title, here I will apply the entrance type of animation. Here I am just clicking on wipe. When I will click on wipe, you can see the title will come like this. Here you can see the preview option is coming here. So if you want to see the preview, you have to just click on this preview. You can see that it is showing the entrance of the object, that how my title will come in this slide. Now I am just clicking on this one. Now I will come to the second option, emphasis. If I want to show the movement of this object in the slide, that time I will click emphasis. So in the emphasis I will just click on spin. It means I want to show the movement of my object in the slide only, that time I will use emphasis. So you can see that my object is moving but in the slide only. Here you can see Now I am just selecting the third part. Here you can see I am having these 5 points. So at first I will select 3. Now I will come to the next option, exit. When I will click on any option from the exit shape, you can see again I am just showing to you preview. You can see one by one. Now I am just selecting the fourth point, and now I want to show the movement with the help of motion path. So when I will click on shapes, you can see here how my object is coming. So when you will apply the motion path, that time this type of path will be displayed here. It means my object will move in this path. Here I have chosen the shapes, that's why you can see here if I will choose loop, that time the loop shape will be here. You can see this type of shape will come here. So now if you want to see the preview, you can see by clicking on preview button. So in this class we have learned about this, that how to apply the different type of animation. Here if I want to remove the animation, that time I have to click on none, but at first I have to select that object on which I want to remove the animation. So if I want to remove the animation on the title, that time I have to just select the title and then I have to click on none. You can see the animation is removed. If I want to remove the animation on the picture, that time I will just click on it and then I will click on none. You can see. So one by one we can apply the animation, and if you want to remove the animation, that time you can remove the animation also. Here I am just again telling you that how to apply the animation. Here I have applied the spin one. So I will just apply the spin one. Here I have applied the entrance. So I am just clicking on wipe. You can see here. So by this way we can use the animation on the object, and that object may be any text, any image or any shape. So just do the practice of animation, and in the next class we will do the study of other topics.